Genetic modification is a very powerful tool, but like any other powerful tool, when using it, you have to take into the account the environmental impact and the food safety aspect. There must be strong regulatory system. This was rightly quoted by the great revolutionist M.S. Swaminathan. Hello, I am Sonal Nimodia, studying in 6th standard. I want your attention for the competition We the Thinkers organized by Bajaj Science Center Verna. The title of my project is Pesticide. India is an agro-based country. More than 75% of India's population is involved in agriculture. So it's becoming increasingly difficult to meet the food requirements of each and every individual. Can you guess who this legend is? Okay, let me give you a hint. He is an Indian geneticist known for his predominant role in Green Revolution. Oh yes, that's right. He is one and only the great geneticist M.S. Swaminathan. The Green Revolution includes the use of various modern methods and technology, such as high-yielding variety seeds, HYV seeds, fertilizers, tractors, and all about the chemical pesticides. As we all know, every coin has two faces, a boon and a curse. The M.S. Swaminathan, the leader of Green Revolution, also warned us about the overuse of chemical pesticides. But with the flow of time, we forgot about the threat warning given to us. This proved to be the most dreadful menace for the humanity. I found about the reason behind the warning and understood it. So I started reading more about the chemical pesticides. But first, let me tell you what are pesticides. Pesticides are chemicals that kill pests. I thought if the chemicals can kill the pest, wouldn't they have harmful effect on environment and us? My fear proved to be true. Let me tell you some deadly effects of chemical pesticides. They pollute soil, water, and air. They enter food chain and cause bioaccumulation. They develop resistance in insects and pests, forming them in super pests and superbugs. They are non-biodegradable and have harmful effects on environment. They are too expensive. They cause diseases like cancer and deformities. After I collected more such information about pesticides, my mind was provoked to think about the alternative for the same. Let me show you a conversation between me and my mom that gave me answer of my question.
Sonal, did you bring the fruits I told you to?
Yes, Mom, I did.
I hope you remembered the warning I gave you.
Yes, I remember. It was only bring the fruits that are naturally ripened and there are no chemicals. Natural and pesticides were the two words that started dancing in front of my eyes. Oh, yes, why can't we use natural pesticides instead of harmful chemical ones? Here comes a pie chart that shows us that 90% of farmers use the harmful chemical pesticides and only 10% of farmers use the natural ones. I started collecting information about natural pesticides. A few examples of natural pesticides that are frequently used are chrysanthemum, neem leaf, saltwater spray. Other alternatives are onion and garlic paste, eucalyptus oil, chili pepper spray, tomato leaf, and so on. The list is unending. For collecting more information about natural pesticides, I started reading newspapers and surfing the internet. I came to know about the recent locust attack, the solution of which was the chemical pesticides, as everyone thought, except the Indian farmers, who played large drums and drums to drive away the locust. Another recent news I came across was that crops like cotton, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, tomato are being attacked by a pest called ghonga, that is snake. It could be destroyed by using a typical type of jelly soaked in water, and also calcium carbonate, that is tuna, can be used. Other such news which I would like to share with you about the mud is about the mud attacking the pigeon pea that can be controlled by using a specific type of microbe known as trichoderma, which destroys this disease-causing pest. I also checked the efficiency of cheap and readily available natural pesticide, that is saltwater spray. I have performed an experiment at my home itself. After observing the plants closely, I was shocked to see the pests attacking the plant. Here come some pictures of the infected plants. I saw this as an opportunity to perform an experiment. I regularly spray saltwater solution with the concentration of salt 10% on neem leaf. I followed the same for 10 days. I observed changes. I have performed this experiment at a very small scale, so the results were not that satisfying. I, I suppose if the concentration of salt is changed, it will yield me the better results. I also have a strong belief that my idea will reach to each and every individual through this platform to us by Bajaj Science Center Worth, so that all of us will together take a step forward in using natural pesticides. At the last but not the least, don't forget to like, add a comment and share my video. Thank you.